Welcome back, everybody, to dnpbreaks.com. We're getting ready to do a 4-box Panini Spectra football group break. It's a near sellout. There's 3 teams going to the house. Here's everybody that's participating if you're watching this on YouTube. We've got Benchwarmer with the Seahawks. Bennington 67 came in big with the Jaguars, Falcons, Chiefs, Saints, and Steelers. B. Vinning, I've got you down with the Cowboys. Chaz Fleet's got the Packers. Coventry, I've got you in with the Colts. EAB, you've got the Chargers and Niners. GNB, I've got you with the Eagles. J. McClure, probably. Texans and Titans. K. Etchy, I've got you down with the Patriots. Kid Rock, welcome back. I got you Bills, Bengals, and Browns. LeBron, I've got you down for the Vikings, Giants, Raiders, and Bucks. Melly 270, I've got you with the Panthers and the Rams. M. Grott, I've got you down for the Dolphins. Reynolds Allen, Denver Broncos. Sear Bus, I've got you down for the Bears. And Sewell, I've got you down for the Ravens and the Lions. So there you have it. 4 boxes. Spectra football. Good luck, everybody. Stick around after this break. We're going to do a break of a case of Topps Supreme football. There's our pack of Spectra. So for those of you that haven't seen this yet, we're looking for 10 autos or mem per pack and or box here. There's all our cards. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First one off the top. Got a base card. Michael Floyd from the Cardinals. Second card. Rookie card. Eric Ebron from the Lions. Got a blue prism. Green Bay Packers, Randall Cobb. Numbered 11 of 49. Nice looking cards. Got a die cut red. Kansas City Chiefs. Len Dawson. Number 4 of 5 on that one. Good looking card there too. Got a rookie card, gold prism. Devonta Freeman from the Atlanta Falcons. It's numbered out of 25. Next card is a Cornerstones insert. Blue, Darnell Dockett, Cardinals. And our first mem card, it's a rookie jersey from the Bears, Kadeem Carey. Jumbo black swatch. Next card, also from the Bears, Cornerstones jersey, Matt Forte. Rookie jersey, Brandon Cooks from the Saints. Got a dual jersey, a couple of rookies from the Houston Texans, Clowney and Savage. Got a 199. Got another jumbo jersey rookie, Blake Bortles from the Jags. Giant teal swatch. Another jumbo jersey rookie, white swatch, Teddy Bridgewater from the Vikings. First autograph. It's a jersey auto, rookie, Jay Samaro from the Jets. On card. Number 149. Sorry. There we go. 138 of 149, Jay Samaro. Got another rookie auto. Marcus Smith from the Eagles. Sticker auto, number to 149. There we go. 19 of 149. Another rookie auto. Mike Davis, Oakland Raiders. Number to 149. Here's a cool card. Also an autograph. Also from the Raiders. Tim Brown. Numbered out of 25. Number 8 of 25. There we go. Tim Brown. Cool card. And then the last one looks like a bonus rookie. The New York Giants, Odell Beckham Jr. So there's box number 1. Spectra football. There we go with number 2. Good luck. Alright, top card, base card, LaShawn McCoy from the Eagles. Dante Moncrief, rookie from the Colts. There's a blue prism of the Gronk from New England. Blues are out of 49. Here's a blue die cut. Roddy White out of 25. Got another die cut. Retired great Kurt Warner out of 10. Very nice. From the Rams. Here's one. Pretty nice. I think somebody's going to like that one. Dynamic Duos Gold. Peyton Manning, Demaryius Thomas. Out of 25. Nice looking card. Alright, next up we got our first jersey. It's a Cornerstones jersey, blue. Dwayne Bowe, Kansas City Chiefs. Got a rookie jersey. Cody Latimer from the Broncos. Got a blue prism jersey. Aaron Murray from the Chiefs. There's a rookie jumbo. Dree Archer, Steelers. We've got a duel here. We'll end up having to do a random on this one. We've got 2 different teams. Derek Carr, Jimmy Garoppolo, dual jersey. Out of 199. There you go. We'll set that one off to the side. Here's another nice one. Quad jersey, blue. Very nice. Manziel, Carr, Bortles, and Bridgewater. This thing looks really sharp in person. This is out of 49, number 7 of 49. So that'll get randomed off to one of those 4 teams. Here's our first autograph. It's an on-card gold ink. Aaron Murray. That's numbered out of 149. Here's something nice. Dual auto. Keith Wenning and Garrett Gilbert. Rookie dual auto from the Rams and the Ravens. We'll have to split that one up. That's numbered out of 149. Another dual auto from the same team this time. Josh Huff and Cody Parkey from the Eagles. Blue out of 49. Nice card. Another auto on card. This is a good one to have. Mike Evans, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Out of 149. And the bonus card, another Odell Beckham. Different photo. All right, 2 down, 2 to go. Good luck. And another straggler in the back there. All right, box number 3. On the top, we got our base card. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Next base card, Gale Sayers, Bears. Next card is a blue, same guy. Gale Sayers from the Bears, blue, out of 49. This appears to be black. A black Jeremy Hill. Rookie card, number 5 of 5. That's pretty sweet. Congratulations to the Bengals owner on that one. Got another color. Gold. Larry Wilson of the Cardinals. That's out of 25. Got a Cornerstones insert. Red, A.J. Hawk. It's numbered out of 10. 9 of 10. There you go. Some nice low-numbered stuff coming out of these. Our first jersey card is a Cornerstones insert. Baltimore Ravens, Terrell Suggs. Out of 199. Rookie jersey from the Chiefs, DeAnthony Thomas. Out of 199. Got a jumbo jersey. This is the blue prism. Jeremy Hill from the Bengals again. And that's out of 49. Got ourselves a dual rookie jersey of Thomas and Murray from the Chiefs. Here's another dual jersey. Teammates combo. Jake Locker and Delaney Walker. out of 199. Another duel. This one, a couple rookies, Bishop Sankey and Safarian Jenkins. There you go. We'll split that one. Our first autograph on card, rookie, Dallas Cowboys, Devin Street. At a 149. There's another rookie, gold, auto. Chandler Catanzaro. Rookie auto gold at a 25. Another rookie, blue, Arthur Lynch, Miami Dolphins, at a 49. Here's a cool one. Another blue autograph, New York Jets, Joe Namath. There we go. Nice auto on the sticker. Number 6 of 7. Only 7 blue ones made, apparently. There it is, 6 of 7. Joe Namath. And the bonus is the now retired Chris Borland of the Niners. Rookie of the week. Okay, there you go. 3 down, 1 to go. Got them all that time. All right. Here it is, the grand finale. Good luck, everybody. Stay tuned. We're doing a case of Top Supreme Football next. There's a Toby Gerhart base card. Jacksonville. There's a rookie base of Allen Robinson, Jacksonville. We got a blue prism from the Steelers, Troy Polamalu. Focus. There we go. Polamalu blue out of 49. We got a blue die cut, Monty Ball. Broncos out of 25. There's a red from the Redskins, Alfred Morris. Red prism, number to 10. There we go. 2 of 10, Alfred Morris. Here's one I haven't seen yet. Building blocks insert. This is a rookie blue building blocks of Mike Evans. It's a really cool looking card. From the Bucks. Our first jersey. Jaguars are coming up big. Storm Johnson. Sorry. Come on, Storm. You can do it. There we go. Storm Johnson, rookie jersey. Out of 199. We got another building blocks. This is a jersey, rookie jersey, building blocks of Dante Moncrief. Out of 199. Another building blocks. Got a blue one this time. Jersey card. Jacksonville pack. Another Allen Robinson. There we go. Blue building blocks. Another building blocks. Bishop Sankey. Rookie jersey. Alright, here's something a little more interesting. Dual jersey. Two different teams, so we'll have to split it at the end. Landry and Beckham Jr. At a $1.99. Here's something a little different. Building blocks, gold. Blake Bortles. There we go. It's a sharp card. And that is numbered out of 25. Number 9 of 25. Here's something sweet. Dual autograph. And it might be a black version. Two different teams, so somebody's going to get lucky. Take them both home. Clinton Dix and Ahmad Dixon. And let's see what the numbering is on this one. Yep, number 2 of 5. Clinton Dix and Ahmad Dixon. Oops. If the two owners of that card want to work something out amongst themselves, you certainly are welcome to. Just speak up and I'll accommodate that. We've got a blue jersey auto on card. Asa Watson. Rookie jersey auto. So this is going to go to the Cowboys, it looks like. Printed name supersedes player image. So Cowboys get the Asa Watson. Got another dual auto. Looks like this one's going to end up getting split also. Isaiah Crowell and James Wilder Jr. Bengals and Browns. So we'll split that one up at the end. Dual auto. Greg Robinson, Aaron Donald. It's a nice little hit for the Rams owner. Out of 149, and that rounds it out. We got one more card, another Odell Beckham. Rookie of the Week card with the select format on it. Alright, so there you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Stick around if you want to see the randoms happen. Looks like we've got a couple of dual jerseys, a couple of dual autos, and a quad jersey to do. And gee whiz, yes, I'm doing Supreme Football, and if everybody wants later on, we'll do a Strata football break also. So let's see here. Let's go to random. Bear with me here for a second, everybody. Okay. Random.org. Alright, here we go. So we're going to start out with, let me see if I can get my camera to come back up here. Where'd it go? Sorry guys, hold on a second. There it is. Alright. See if we can make this work for everybody. Bear with me for a second, guys. I don't know what you guys can see. Alright, here we go. Alright, so first card, we're going to go Sankey and Safarian Jenkins. So we're going to go Titans versus Buccaneers. So the way we do it here at dmpbreaks.com is we go 5 randoms. Whoever's at the top at the end of 5 gets to keep the card. Alright, so here we go. I think everybody can see. I'm assuming you can. Here goes number 1. Let's see if that shows up on your guys' screen. Let's try it on this side. Alright, number 1 put the Bucks at the top and the Titans at the bottom. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so number 2, here we go. Bucks at the top, Titans at the bottom. Number 3, Bucks at the top, Titans at the bottom. Number 4, Titans at the top, Bucks at the bottom. And the all-important number 5, Bucks at the top. So Safarian Jenkins gets card number 1. Next one we'll do is Carr and Garoppolo. So that's going to be Raiders versus Patriots. Here we go. Number 1, Patriots on top. Number 2, Patriots on top. Number 3, Raiders on top. Number 4, Patriots on top. Number 5, Patriots on top. Congratulations to the Patriots owner. The last dual jersey we've got, Beckham Jr. versus Landry. So we're looking at the Giants versus the Dolphins. Here we go, 5 times through. Number 1, Dolphins on top. Number 2, Giants on top. Number 3, Giants on top. Number 4, Giants on top. Number 5, Giants on top all the way through. So the Beckham owner gets that one. Let's do the quad jersey next. So we're looking at Bortles, Bridgewater, Manziel, and Carr. Gives us the Jaguars, the Browns, the Vikings, and the Raiders. 5 times through. Good luck, everybody. Number 1 puts the Vikings on top. Number 2 puts the Raiders on top. Number 3 puts the Vikings on top. Number 4 puts the Raiders on top. And number 5 puts the Raiders on top. Derek Carr comes through. Alright, we got 3 left to do. Dual auto. Ravens and Rams. Ravens, Rams. 5 times through, here we go. Number 1 puts the Ravens on top. Number 2, Rams. Number 3, Ravens. Number 4, Rams. Final one, number 5, Rams stay on top. That means Gilbert is going home to the Rams owner. We got one more duel here. Crowell and Wilder. So we're looking at Browns and Bengals. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 5 times through. Number 1, Browns on top. Number 2, Bengals on top. Number 3, Browns on top. Number 4, Browns on top. Number 5, Browns on top. So that means Crowell is going home to the Browns owner. So the last one we've got is the Clinton Dix and the Ahmad Dixon. And I'm going to see if you guys have come up with, that's not going to stand, a decision as to how you guys would like to handle that real quick here. I'm going to come back, turn that off. Oops, turn that on, turn that off. Alright guys, what'd you guys decide on the Clinton Dix and the Dixon? We're going to random it. Jazz Fleet, you're in for random, so all we need is one of you to say random, and that's going to be a random. Okay, good luck, guys. Give me a second. Let me get back to random.org. Okay. Stand that up so you guys can see it. Just does not want to stay there. Alright, well, you guys get the idea. Clinton Dix and Ahmad Dixon. So we're doing Packers versus Browns. Packers versus Browns. Okay, here we go. 5 times through. Number 1, Packers on top. Number 2, Browns on top. Number 3, Packers on top. Number 4, Browns on top. Here we go. Number 5, Packers on top. Clinton Dix comes through strong. Okay. So that's going to be the end of it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching our 4-box break of Panini Spectra football. Stay tuned if you want to watch our case break of Topps Supreme football, and check out dmpbreaks.com. We've got plenty of stuff listed. Thanks for joining us.